Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin with, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a soft brush, and a microfiber cloth. These will be essential for the maintenance process. First, unplug your Dyson HD07 from the power source. Safety is paramount, so make sure it's completely disconnected before you start. Next, remove the dustbin by pressing the release button. This will allow you to access the filter. It's crucial to clean the filter regularly to maintain suction power. Rinse the filter under cold water until the water runs clear. Avoid using any detergents. Let it dry for at least 24 hours before reinserting it. While the filter is drying, let's focus on the brush bar. Use your flathead screwdriver to remove the screws securing the brush bar cover. Once removed, take out the brush bar and check for any tangled hair or debris. Use your soft brush to clean it thoroughly. If you find any stubborn dirt, a damp cloth can help. Remember, a clean brush bar ensures better performance. Now, let's reassemble the brush bar. Place it back into the housing and secure it with the screws you previously removed. Make sure it's tightly fastened to avoid any issues during operation. Moving on, check the hose for blockages. Detach it from the main unit and inspect it for any obstructions. If you notice any clogs, gently push a long object through the hose to clear it. This step is vital as blockages can significantly reduce suction power. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get professional help without any hassle. Next, let's clean the exterior of your Dyson HD07. Use a microfiber cloth to wipe down the body, ensuring you remove any dust or dirt. This not only keeps your vacuum looking new, but also prevents dirt from entering the internal components. Finally, check the battery. If your vacuum is losing charge quickly, it might be time for a replacement. Consult your user manual for instructions on how to replace the battery safely. Before you finish, ensure everything is securely reassembled. If you're unsure about any step or if you need a professional diagnosis without obligation, don't hesitate to reach out. We can provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. With these maintenance steps, your Dyson HD07 will continue to perform at its best, providing you with a clean home effortlessly. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.